welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove block lists on Messenger. So if you want to actually unblock all the accounts you blocked on your Messenger, there's a simple way you can actually just unblock them rather than doing it like one after the other, like you block one person now and block the other person, block the other person. So there's an easy way for you to just unblock all of them at once if you actually want to do that. So the first step I'm going to take, you have to click on your Messenger app just like this, and the next thing you are going to do is click on menu below your screen at the right hand side. Just click on it right here and you click on settings. So the next thing you are going to do, click on privacy and safety just like this, and you can see blocked account. So these are the accounts I blocked. So rather than doing this like clicking down just to unblock one after the other, you can simply unblock them together at the same time. So the next thing you're going to do is just have to go back just like this, and click on your settings once more again, and you can see report technical problem. So you just have to click on report technical problem. Sometimes they'll tell you to just like shake your phone or something, but you can just say report problem. So you have to report your problem and just include. So this how it's going to look like. Then over here you just have to type, please support remove block lists on Messenger. Yeah, just like, then you click, as you can see they say what is the problem related to, so you click on block and unblock. So the next thing you're going to do, you just have to click on your screen. Above your screen you can see send, just click on it, and Messenger are going to actually give you back a reply within 24 hours. So that's how to just unblock all your blocked contacts actually. Yeah, if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.